Dental Masters Laboratory. It is a full-service lab working for dentists and prosthodontists throughout California and the United States. The business started originally in 1950, so I'm very proud to say that we have a significant amount of expertise literally in all the areas that we specialize in, be it complete dentures, partial dentures, as well as routine crown and bridge and advanced aesthetics. EnvisionTEC, with the advent of the Envision One 3D printer, has made our lives easier with a product that is cost-effective, doesn't take a lot of square footage, has no significant special requirements for its operation, is extraordinarily fast and very accurate.
What we like about the EnvisionTEC Envision One is that it has a very low entry cost, and we like the idea of owning these machines rather than renting them.
So at present we have 4 Envision Ones. We use them for a combination of models and partial dentures.
We print roughly 35 full arch models per day, as well as 25 quadrant models. In addition to that, we print 40 plus RPD patterns utilizing these 4 printers, so they get very thorough use.
With EnvisionTEC, what we found is a company that we can truly rely on when it comes to not only the quality of the printer, but also the chemistry and science and reliability of the resins that we're using. We went through a lot of different resins over the last 7 years and different printers to get where we are now.
We primarily worked with another manufacturer. Their printers didn't keep up with our needs for production, and it would not allow us to print parts flat.
With EnvisionTEC and the Envision One printer, we're able to produce partial denture patterns that are then cast in a little over an hour and a half. That's a tremendous difference from where we were a little over a year ago, when it took us literally anywhere from 12 to 15 hours to get the same number of partial denture patterns printed.
When we're printing RPD patterns, which are very complex geometrical shapes, very hard for a printer to do. Something as simple as a physical separation would completely ruin the accuracy of that part. Because the Envision One has a layer of oxygen at the bottom of the tank, we don't face that problem. The other key benefit to that is that because there's no separation, the print can cycle continuously. This results in much faster print time and a more consistent print throughout.
Going into the next year, we'll be using the Envision One printers for complete dentures and partial dentures as well. So I think it's a bright future ahead for dental technology. It's a bright future ahead for the folks at EnvisionTEC, and we're very happy to have partnered with them on their printers.